Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Chase Bank to Cash App. First, open the Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right. Go to Link Banks and tap Link Debit Card. You can either enter your Chase debit card details or tap No Card to link your bank account directly. Cash App will redirect you to Play, a secure service that connects your bank. Tap Continue, select Chase, and log in with your Chase.com credentials. Once your account is linked, return to the Cash App home screen. Tap the bank icon at the top left. Then choose Add Cash. Pick a present amount or tap the three dots to enter a custom amount. Then tap Add. If your Chase account is linked correctly, the money will transfer to Cash App. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Chase Bank to Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.